Hello, word friends, and welcome back to the show. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me for another dive into the wonderful world of words. Today, our word of the day is bring, an A1 level verb meaning to carry to a place. So, what does bring really mean? It's all about transporting something or someone from one location to another. For instance, if you bring your books to class, you are carrying them from your home to school. Let's explore some synonyms. Words that have similar meanings include take, which you can see in the sentence. I will take this package to the post office, and also carry, such as in, can you carry this bag for me, please? Now for some antonyms, words with opposite meanings. One antonym is leave, for example, please leave your shoes at the door. Another opposite is drop, like, don't drop that glass. In everyday life, you might use bring when asking a friend to bring a dish to a party or when telling your child to bring their homework to school. You could also ask, can you bring me some water? Or you may say to your dog, fetch it and bring it here. As we see, it's used in a lot of basic contexts. Other common phrases include bring it on, which means you are ready for something challenging, or bring someone up, meaning to raise or educate them. Here are a few usage examples. I bring my lunch to work each day. She had to bring an umbrella, it was raining. And they always bring happiness to the room. So, today, we've covered the simple yet versatile verb bring. We talked about what it means, looked at some similar words like take and carry, and learned some opposite terms like leave and drop. Remember, you can use bring in many different ways to describe taking or carrying something to a location. Thank you for joining me on this vocabulary adventure today. Your support helps others find the show, so please subscribe to the podcast if you're listening on an app, and if you're watching on YouTube or another platform, please leave a review. And now for a little homework. Try to create your own sentence using the word bring and share it in the comments below. Bye for now.